Here's our 383 module 3. So just gonna quickly explain. So this is our op amp that we're using for this module, and we're just taking 5 volts from this and minus 5 volts from this. Sorry, actually other way around, minus 5 volts from this and 5 volts from this, and we're just feeding it into the op amp for our supply. And for our, so this is our function generator, and the reason we are using this side of the op amp is because this oscilloscope can only give 2.5 volts peak to peak amplitude, and there's no amplitude adjuster. So we just put it through we just used an amplifier with low gain, and then we got it to this blue one, which is around 50 millivolts peak to peak. Yeah, so the frequency should also be 2 kilohertz because I am using a filter. So how do I do this? Yep, 2 kilohertz. Yeah, it's approximately 2 kilohertz. Yeah, so I mean, the original signal is 2 kilohertz, but it's just fluctuating. It's going there and back. So it is around 2. And then we're going into our actual circuit, which is starting with this. So this is our 2.2k ohm resistor, and it's going into the inverting input because this one is an inverting. So we're going to do 2 inverts, and then we're going to get it back to normal. Doesn't really matter, but 2.2k. And then here's our 120k ohm resistor, which is our feedback resistor, this one over here. Yep. And then these two are our RC filters, 330 ohms, which gives us 165, and then they're just in parallel. And then this is our capacitor, which is just going to ground, and it's a low pass filter. So this is our output around, this yellow one's our output, 2.8 volts.